It's a rainy day. Bada wants to see Abby, but he does not want to get wet. Bada is sad. What can he do? Look, Bada. See how the ducks have fun in the rain? You can too.
Yeah!
Put on your coat. Put on your hat. Put on your boots. Now you can go. And the ducks can too. Up, 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 up one hill.
Wow!
Over, over, over 2 logs. In, in. Jump in 3 puddles.
Wow! Wow!
Look, you made it to Abby's house. Splish, splish, splash. See, Bada? A rainy day can be fun, too.